Hi everybody, Slime Girl is back. Today I'm going to be making kinetic sand slime today. As you see here, I have the kinetic sand ice cream making set, but today we're just going to be using the sand. So I already poured some clear glue in, and now we're going to pour some kinetic sand to make it kinetic sand slime. First is the pink. Okay, that was loud. Next is the white, but it turned kind of pink. And then lastly is the blue kinetic sand. Okay, now we're going to add the Nivea brand lotion. And you could use any type of lotion what you have at home, but I'm going to be using the Nivea brand. So let's just do 2 squirts. And now we're going to pour some magical liquid in activator. Let's do 1, 2, 3. Just 3. I'll keep it open just in case. Now we're going to mix it with the spoon. I hope this turns like purple because white, pink, and blue turns like purple, but if it doesn't, that's okay. But this is kind of pink. The white's kind of pink. So, okay, we're definitely going to need more activator. I just did 3, just in case. God, it looks like cotton candy. Wow. Okay. It looks pretty purple. It looks like a marble purple. Okay, this looks very cool. Now let's add 2, 3 big activated pours. Wow. It's actually turning kind of purple. Okay. It's turning into slime. Wow, it looks pretty cool. Wow. Look at that. Oh my god. It's hurting my hand. Okay, let's mix it in and smash all the kinetic sand in. Ooh. Looks like there's seeds in it. It looks like actual beach sand. 1, 2, 3 big squirts. Wow, look at this. Wow. I never made kinetic sand slime before, so I hope this turns out good. I never tested it out, but I hope it's not a fail. Oh, it feels so gross. Let's add a cap. Let's fill in the cap. And then we'll pour. Wow, that's a lot. I hope it turns into slime. Oh my god, it's getting harder. Might as well knead it with my hands. Okay. Now, oh, it feels so sticky. Feels pretty good. Okay, now let's put the spoon down. Wow, it's so stretchy. Whoa, it looks like it's turning into slime. Got this. It's purple like what I wanted. Okay, let's keep mixing. It's actually kind of working. I see like pink and blue still not mixed up. That's really cool. Wow. Okay, we're gonna pour it out. Oh. Okay. Now let's get all the slime off on the bottom. Okay, that's the best I could do. Let's put the ball over there. Wow. Look, it's still a little bit sticky. Maybe just one. Because it's kind of running together. Very awesome. Let's mix that in. This is much easier to mix it with my hands than the spoon. Wow. Okay, it's very nice. Still a bit sticky, but let's mix the activator. And there's still a little bit more activator. This slime. Wow, it feels so good. Okay, we're gonna add one to be safe. Wow, it feels so nice. It feels like real beach sand. Wow. Feels like we actually use beach sand. Look at that, guys. This is like a cloud slime, but it feels so much like a cloud slime because cloud slimes can't make bubbles, and this can't make bubbles too. Wow, look at this, guys. It feels so nice. I love the texture. It's very nice, and I love the color. It's a very pretty purple. It's like a ube purple. I love it. It feels so nice. I love the texture. I know I already said that, but let's say it again. It's very nice. Very simple steps. And it's very stretchy and feels so nice. You guys should make these so you could experience. It feels like actual sand in the beach. I think they did use actual sand. It does say on the box. Right there. Okay, let's pour some more activator because it's a little sticky. But I love it so far. Wow, look at that. This is the best. It feels like you mix cloud slime and kinetic sand together. But no, you didn't. I love the texture so much. I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna play with this every day. Look at that. Yeah, this definitely could not stretch. Let's see. Wait, it does stretch. I mean bubbles. It makes a little bubbles. But so far, it feels so good. Look at this. Did you hear that? Because I did. I don't think you could hear it, but very closely you could hear it. It's a little stiff. Let's add one more of this cherry blossom lotion. Oh, that feels so yum. Why did I say yum? Okay, let's mix that in. Okay, it's still a little stiff, but that's okay. Yeah, we're definitely adding some more. Still stiff. Okay. 2.5, just a little, 2. Okay, let's rub it. Feels so good rubbing it. Okay, let's try. Oh, that's much better. It's softer. You heard that? It's very nice. Wow, it feels so nice. I love this. I'm definitely making more of this live. I heard that. That's like so nice. It felt like I heard the crunchness. Wow. I see like sand in it. I see like little speckles that you see on the beach. Like little shells. It looks like little shells. think they collected sand from the beach and then just died it or something, or did something. I'm gonna make a swirl. Let's see how this swirl turns out. Wow, very beautiful. Very nice. I love that crunch. The texture is still a little hard, but overall, so nice. I love the texture. I love how it's very crunchy, the sand. Very stretchy, not very stretchy, but we're gonna add 2 more pumps of lotion. Let's rub it. I love to rub it. Okay, let's stretch it. When you stretch it sometimes I hear like a sound that sounds so good. Okay. Wow. That's so nice. I love this. Okay. So that's all for my Kinetic Sand Slime video. I hope I see you again. Bye!